a micron end cam, which in previous videos I've tried working on. You can see it's coated in tar spots. A few dents, okay, adds character. And tried a few different products now. So let's try Intense Tar Remover. Try sticking some on here and see what we get, eh? Anything happening yet? It does say you might have to leave it for a couple of minutes, but might as well go over the entire can then. I think given these tar spots have been on there for decades, I didn't expect them to just instantly disappear, but not seeing anything happen yet. Ooh, okay, change of plans, something's happening. Honestly don't know if I should just splurge it on a little. I don't know. Which is the better application, do you think? Whoa, all right, something's coming off. Just, we will see. Oh, am I having to work it? Oh my. This is great television. It is going. Wow. Right, might just spend the next 5 minutes rubbing my can. I'm getting impressed. There's not many products out there I want to talk about, show anyone. It's doing something. I mean, spend a bit more time, I think. Let's just keep going. So the technique that works the best is to get your thumb in it. So scrunch up your bit of rag or whatever you're using, right? Get your thumb into it and use that extra pressure from your thumb. Because it's all about pressure, isn't it? Oh, look at that. Oh, we're on to a winner here. Wow. I've had WD-40 on here, Bulldog BDX. I've had some motorcycle tar removers, and then I go and buy this car product just out of curiosity. Look at it go, look at it go. Well impressed. It's gonna be one tidy end can. Oh yes. There's a big one. Whoa, hello you. Goodbye you. What's the unhappy face about? Do you see that? Oh, I'll take my time. I'm enjoying it. I don't see any reason why I can't use this on other parts of the bike either. Like the, you know, because even on my R1, my pillion foot peg rest things, they seem to pick up quite a lot of tar. Oh, wow. This is good. I just put some on the swing arm. Look at it. Oh my word. Oh my word. This is epic. What a product. It's just taken all the years off. Awesome. I don't know if you can quite make it out, but this area here is kind of not fantastic. And along the top, it's kind of like where the rougher part of the casting is, and it's collected. I wonder if this will do much for it. That is an amazing product. Amazing. However, it is a bit like water, and so probably used up this much of the bottle already. So you can go through it pretty quickly. Can't remember how much this was. Maybe 20 quid, something like that. Well worth it. That's very good. Do you have a better product than this that you can recommend I try? Should have seen me with my toothbrush in there. I was having so much fun. You got to keep stuff like this away from me. Anyway, that's a big thumbs up for the intensive tar remover. Wow. Wicked. I'm very happy.